Young rookie making a nice spin. Nice head on. Willie hit him from the side. Brandon backing up. Coming out again. He got Willie.
Big hit so far.
Hello, Devin. Yeah, buddy. Whoa! Oh, it looks like Evan might have drove himself out.
Maybe if he rocks back and forth, he'll get himself back over.
I don't think so. We have ourselves a nice little battle here. Willie and Brandon, sorry. Looks like the Oldsmobile pushed him around that little Impala.
My mom used to drive an Oldsmobile.
My brother used to drive an Impala. Fun facts about us. And Mr. Kalen had just pushed and pressed around. What a big bully. And we have come to a complete stop. I don't know what's going on. It looks like Willie is having trouble getting his car rolling. Kalen backing up, coming in for another hit. Oh! Spun his leg right off.
Must be some dollar store duct tape.
Do it. Oh,